We all know how important having the best hardware and cooling solutions for our PCs can be. But what if you need to keep an SSD from getting too hot? This is where the latest model from JuiShark comes in. Let us have a closer look at the M.24. JuiShark wants to make sure you have the best cooling solutions for your M.2 SSDs, and the M.24 is their newest solution. At 71mm tall, it's still pretty large compared to a standard low-profile graphics card, but it is slightly smaller than last year's M.23. Plus, you get the choice of 3 bold and vibrant colors, and an ARG fan. The M.24 is made of an aluminum alloy with a receptacle made of stainless steel, which helps with heat dissipation. Plus, you get a 5015 ARG fan with a 4-pin PWM connector, which is recessed within the fin structure. Tech specs aren't available yet, but an image of a Samsung 980 Pro 500GB SSD working temperatures demonstrates the effectiveness of the cooler. With the M.24 cooled SSD in green, it remained at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius under load. JuiShark has weighed the design aspects and decided that last year's model was over-engineered for the job, but with their innovative M.24, you don't have to make that same mistake. It came in at a reasonable price too, just $26 for the silver or black models with ARG fan, or a more affordable $18 for the all-black, no RGB model. If you're interested in keeping your M.2 SSDs cool, then the M.24 from JuiShark is just the solution for you. It's bold, packed with features, and will provide you with the best cooling performance. Get yours now and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your PC protected from heat malfunctions.